Life today can be hectic, and even the strongest of us can feel worn out by the non-stop hustle. The weight of daily responsibilities can cloud our clarity and dampen our spirits. If stress is starting to take over, the age-old properties of a simple herb might be just what you need to find relief. Here are 4 natural home remedies for mental well-being and relaxation. Number 1. Basil, more than just a kitchen herb. Holy basil, also known as Tulsi, Ocimum basilicum, is highly valued in traditional wellness practices for its calming effects. Beyond its delicious culinary uses, basil provides gentle relief for stressed nerves and exhausted minds. To enjoy the stress-relieving benefits of basil, start by boiling water and placing Tulsi leaves or a tea bag in your cup. Pour the hot water over the Tulsi and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. After steeping, remove the leaves or tea bag and, if you like, add a sweetener or lemon. Breathe in the soothing aroma and enjoy up to 2 cups daily. Number 2. Chamomile tea. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla or Matricaria recutita, has long been valued for its therapeutic qualities. Ancient Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians recognized its calming effects. The herb's soothing power comes from antioxidants like apigenin, which is believed to promote sleep and ease insomnia, often linked to anxiety. To experience the soothing effects of chamomile, start by boiling fresh water. Place a chamomile tea bag or loose flowers in a cup, then pour the hot water over them. Let it steep for about 5 minutes before removing the tea bag or straining out the flowers. You can add lemon or honey for extra flavor if you like. Enjoy this calming tea 1 to 2 times a day, especially before bed or during stressful moments. Number 3. Lavender. Lavender, or Lavandula angustifolia, is known for its beautiful purple flowers and soothing scent. Valued for centuries, this herb is more than just visually and aromatically appealing. It is deeply embedded in herbal and aromatherapy practices for its calming effects. Lavender's ability to induce sleep and tranquility comes from its compounds, such as linalool and linaloyl acetate, which interact with the nervous system to promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, and support restful sleep. To add lavender to your nightly routine, you can use a sachet filled with dried lavender flowers and place it under your pillow. Another option is to add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser so its calming scent fills your room before you go to sleep. The 4th and final natural home remedies on our list is rosemary. Its memory-boosting abilities are attributed to a compound called 1,8-cineol. Research has shown that inhaling this compound can elevate levels of neurotransmitters important for cognition and memory. To benefit from rosemary, obtain high-quality rosemary essential oil. While studying, you can either inhale the oil directly or use a diffuser to fill your room with its stimulating aroma. In conclusion, amidst the chaos of modern life, nature's gentle touch can provide great relief. Use these 4 natural home remedies to find a peaceful escape and balance. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.